Did you ever spend hours in your Lightroom trying to find photos and you're going crazy and you can't find them and you're like, I know it's there, but I can't find it? Well, no more, no more. This update on Lightroom is one of the most crazy that I've been waiting for so many years. Check this out. So I'm here in Lightroom. My only regret is I wish this was in Lightroom Classic, and it's only in Lightroom for now. I do use Lightroom a little bit to retouch my phone photos. For some projects, I use Lightroom, but I use mostly Lightroom Classic. But let me show you, it's absolutely insane. So here you can see I got 24,000 photos on my Lightroom, and I can just go and in natural language, I can say Paris sunset, and it's gonna use AI and find all the Paris sunset photography for me. Like, look, even that, this is like a company that stole one of my photos and it just recognized this, which is crazy. And let me show you, like, this is a Paris sunset. I can go here. I'm also going to give me my preset actually do work on Lightroom. I've got this crazy preset. You can see it here. All you have to do is download them from under the video. You just go click 3 dots, import preset, and you import the zip file that's under the video. And check this out. I can use my sunset preset here, 1 click, and I go with this. Now, when you use my preset in Lightroom, make sure you go here and you hold on the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on Windows, and then you can, and then you set the black point. This is the black point. You hold on the Option key, and you want to make sure on color photo you got about 2-3%. And all I have to do now is do a few settings, like change the temperature a little bit. It's a little bit too magenta. And boom, I have the photo retouch. I think I'm going to crop it. I'm going to go 16:9. I like 16:9. And then I'm going to make sure the horizon is straight. And voila, boom, I found this. I totally forgot this photo, but with this new AI, I can do it. I can do like, Iceland, stormy weather, for example, stormy weather. And I'm going to get all my instant photos. So you basically talk to Lightroom naturally, and you get all the stormy weather that's inside. So you see Iceland stormy weather. I mean, I can do anything. I can say, like, for example, like portrait surge. And then I'm going to get a whole bunch of portrait. Some of them are mine. I can go and say, I don't know, like, for example, sunset Italy. And then I get all my sunset in Italy. I can say Paris, bad weather. And then because I have a lot of iPhone photo, I'm going to type ARW to get like a Sony file. And for example, I can take this photo, which is like, look how boring it is. And I'm going to go here in my preset, and I'm going to use one of my black and white preset, and boom, this is a Sony file that I'm turning into a masterpiece. Look at this. And you hold on the Option key, you do your white points. I'm giving you all the colors in black and white preset you can use. They work on Lightroom Mobile, they work everywhere. You just have to have a Lightroom subscription. Why am I giving this preset for free also is because I got a coaching program. If you love landscape and you want to win some awards and you've got like a Lightroom subscription, you can book a call also. That's why I want to give you value with my preset. You're like, oh, I got to get coaching from this guy one day. Well, here I am. You can book a call. Look at this photo. It's pretty cool. It was such a bad weather photo, and the preset just made it cool. You can also, change the white balance to get something that's really clean. And I love it. This natural language to find your photo is a game changer. You can say whatever comes to your mind, they will find it. I hope they put it into Lightroom Classic. Now, I have a video coming out on black and white where I go really deep on Ansel Adams' zone system. Make sure you give me a follow.